Hello, Namaste, Salam Walaikum, Sastriyakal. Welcome back to another session with your Washaf at Vareva.com. Today I am going to make onion lovers adai because the amount of onions we add in this adai, I am telling you, you have to be an onion lover or else once you eat this, you will become onion lover because we all make onion dosa, onion uttapam, onion rava dosa, but even in this adai, when you add onions, it gives a very nice flavor. For this, first let's learn how to make this batter. So, first we're going to use tuar dal, chana dal. Add rice, the red chilies and curry leaves. We're going to add water. Just wash it once, drain the water and then again we're going to use fresh water to soak these ingredients. The recipe is also very simple. If you take 1 cup of rice, add 1 tablespoon of chana dal, 1 tablespoon of tuar dal. But you can also increase or decrease the amount of dals depending on the consistency or the texture you want. If you want little crispy, you can increase the rice quantity. If you want it little soft, increase the dal quantities. And in this, we're going to add some salt, hing. Now add so much water that it should little be over the rice. It should not be too much because we added the rice and the hing. You don't want to lose the flavor later by draining the water. After adding this water, you need to soak it for at least 2 hours. 4 hours of overnight is also possible. And by the time all this water will be absorbed. If you have any water left over after soaking it for more than 2-3 hours, that means you added too much water. So don't add too much water because when you make this batter, you want the batter to be slightly thicker, not like a dosa batter, little bit coarse and thicker. Now look at this batter. This is coarse. This is what we use to make fantastic adais. And now once the batter is ready, we're going to take the batter and add equal quantity of chopped onion. That's when you get the real awesome onion flavors. Some people like to spread onions on top of the adai. Okay, there is a lot more moisture because we added so much of onions. That's okay. And just spread this batter evenly. Once you spread the onion batter on the tawa, the aroma is so super. Wow. With this, you try to spread it as thin as possible, but you will not be able to because the chopped onions will hold the thinness, so that's good. But now I'll come to my favorite part of making the holes. In adai making, there are various ways they make holes, but it's always, I don't know why, they are never even number of holes, always odd. But now the holes, the shape also changes. In this, we're going to make triangle shape holes. So here, first I make one on top, one on this corner and one this corner. Okay, this is 3 hole onion adai. Now on this, we're going to spread some oil and make sure, don't forget to put some oil in the holes. Wow, this is good. And now we're going to put the lid on top. This will make sure that our adai doesn't burn. And because of the steam that is going to create here, that will give a very nice even coloring that makes adais even more tasty and flavorful. Another benefit of adding this lid on top is the onions also will get steamed. They will add some nice sweetness to your adais. So now look at this. Now this is all cooked. Now we're going to turn it to the other side and check it out. Very nice coloring, but I think it may have needed a little more oil, but that's good. Less oil is always better. But if you want to add some more oil onto your adai, just pour it on the sides. That should be good. And in the holes. Wow. Now I'm not going to put any of the lid because if you put the lid now, your adais will not be crispy. Because if you want your adais to be nice and a little bit crunchy, just cook it without the lid on at this point of time. Now look at this, very nice golden, and we're going to check the other side also. Look at this, nice onions, and switch off the flame. Even among dosas and rava dosas, some people just won't eat any dosa or rava dosa. They want onion rava dosa because of the aroma that this gives. Even in this, I'm telling you what a nice onion flavored aroma. The sweetness from the onion is what makes this adai even more special. And if you follow the instructions, the adais will come nice, a little bit crunchy, a little bit soft. And with this coconut chutney, I'm telling you, these onion adais are super and super tasty. Wow. I think even for me, these onion adai are the most tastiest of all the adais. But dear friends, do not forget, Vareva is all about inspiring others to cook. So please post your recipes and cooking tips at vareva.com so others can benefit from your great cooking. Thank you. Wow, super.